Now let us understand the political cause of French Revolution. The French administration was extremely corrupt. It did not give any importance to French common men. The high posts were often auctioned. The people were tired of such rotten system of administration and wanted a change. फ्रांस की सबसे बड़ी समस्या ये थी कि जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के जो पोस्ट थे वो लोगों के मेरिट के बेसिस पे उन्हें नहीं दिया जाता था. They were all auctioned. A person who was not talented but had money was given the charge of administration. And the common people were not given any kind of importance. So people wanted a change. Next reason for French Revolution is subsistence crisis. First, let us understand what was subsistence crisis. Subsistence crisis is a situation where the basic means of livelihood are endangered. In such a situation, people do not have money to buy food. एक ऐसा सिचुएशन हो जाता है जहाँ पे लोगों के पास इतने कम पैसे होते हैं कि वो अपने सर्वाइवल के लिए फूड को भी खरीद नहीं सकते हैं. दे हैव गॉट सो लेस मनी दैट दे कैन नॉट अफोर्ड टू बाय फूड. दैट इज नोन एज सबसिस्टेंस क्राइसिस. Let us know why the problem of subsistence crisis surfaced in France. The population of France was increasing rapidly, but the food grain supply did not increase. The population was rising, so there was increase in the demand of food grain, but the supply of food grain did not increase. And when the demand is more and the supply is less, the prices keep on rising. The same thing happened in France also. The population of France increased rapidly, leading to an increase in demand of food grain, but the supply was less, which resulted in increase in the price of food grain. On the other hand, the wages did not increase, and people found difficulty in buying food. एक तरफ कीमतें बढ़ती जा रही थी, दूसरी तरफ लोगों की वेजेस या सैलरी जो थी वो बढ़ नहीं पा रही थी. नतीजा ये हुआ कि लोगों के पास अब सफिशिएंट पैसा था ही नहीं ताकि वो अपने लिए फूड ग्रेन्स खरीद सके. एंड दिस सबसिस्टेंस क्राइसिस बिकेम अ कॉमन फिनोमिनन इन फ्रांस. और ये सबसिस्टेंस क्राइसिस जो था ये फ्रांस का एक कॉमन फिनोमिनन बन चुका था. एंड द किंग डिड नॉट टेक any step to help the people.